Hey tech fans! Today we're diving into one of the coolest features of the VisionAI Pro smart glasses. Real-time translation. Whether you're traveling abroad or meeting international clients, these glasses instantly translate conversations right before your eyes. Let's explore how to master this game-changing feature. Getting started is super simple. Just tap the right temple of your glasses twice to wake up the voice assistant. Say, "Activate translation mode," and you'll see language options pop up in your visual display. Select the language you're hearing and the language you want translated. It's that easy. Here's where the magic happens. When someone speaks to you, the translation appears as subtitles right in your field of view through the HUD. You'll also hear the translated audio through the glasses speakers, so you can respond naturally. The AI processes language fast enough that conversations flow smoothly and naturally. The voice assistant makes translation even more powerful. Just say, "Translate what they're saying," and get instant translations of phrases or whole sentences. Need to switch languages mid-conversation? Simply say, "Change language pair," and pick new languages. The voice control keeps your hands free and your eyes forward. The VisionAI Pro doesn't just translate spoken words. It translates written text too. Point the 12 megapixels camera at a restaurant menu, street sign, or business document, and the glasses will instantly translate it for you. This is perfect for travelers who want to understand everything around them, not just what people are saying. You're probably wondering about battery life. Great question. The VisionAI Pro gives you a solid 8 hours of usage with translation features active. Pro tip: if you're running low on battery, dim the HUD display to save power. Plus, many translations work offline, so you don't always need a strong internet connection. Let's talk about where this feature shines. Travelers can explore foreign countries without language anxiety. Business professionals can conduct meetings across continents with confidence. And language learners can practice with real conversations while getting instant feedback. The possibilities are honestly endless. That's the VisionAI Pro translation feature in action. If this tutorial helped you out, please smash that like button and subscribe for more smart glasses tips and tricks. Drop a comment telling us what language you'd translate first. We'd love to know. Thanks for watching, tech fans.